Welcome to TTInit, the number one TikTok Shop affiliate outreach bot. Let's explore how TTInit can transform your TikTok Shop affiliate strategy and help you reach new heights. Today, I will show you how to run the bot for open collaboration. Open collaboration inbox messages. Step 1. Login. First, log in with your TTInit credentials. Once you logged in, you will see no shops there. The first step is to add and save your shop for later use. Step 2. Add shop. Click the Add Shop button. A window will pop up with the following input fields for profile setting. I will explain every input field with its detailed description. Starting from name, enter the name of your TTInit shop that is locally profile of TTInit internal. Email, enter the email of your TikTok shop or brand. Password, enter the password of your TikTok shop or brand. Product ID, enter the product ID for open collaboration that you want to run the open collaboration on. Create a dataset. This is the TTInit dataset coming from TTInit database. I will explain how to create it in next step. Message. Enter the message you want to send to creators. Send follow-up message. Enter the second follow-up message that you want to send to the same person for the second time. Send product card. Enable or disable the sending of product card alongside the message. Skip duplicates. Choose whether to skip sending messages to the same creator again. User greeting. Add a greeting such as hi and name of the creator. While sending the messages, after filling out the fields, click the create profile. Save the profile setting. This will create a new profile of TTInit. Step 3. Log in with TikTok seller dashboard or affiliate account. Next, log in with your TikTok shop or brand and save the profile. Click on login required. A Chrome window will pop up with the TikTok seller dashboard. This Chrome window will have already loaded the TikTok seller dashboard with your shop credential that you already put in the last step. You will be asked for a verification code and to solve a CAPTCHA. You can get the verification code from the email and solve the CAPTCHA. After submission, the TikTok seller dashboard will reload. Wait a few minutes for the profile to save the data. Your profile is now saved. Step 4. Create a dataset to run the bot. Go to the search tab and create a database. We offer 3 ways to create a database: via TTInit database, CSV upload, and scrape from TikTok seller dashboard. Access our database of over 250k creators sourced from various agencies and data services. You can use filters like product categories, followers count, content type, average commission rate, performance, GMV of the creators. For creating database or dataset using TTInit database, you need to name your dataset, select your filter, and click Create Dataset. Save. Second way is to save uploads, CSV uploads. If you have a CSV file in the required format that is in the front of you, upload it to create a database and run the bot on it. Third way is to scrape from TikTok seller dashboard. Sometimes you send messages to all the creators within the internal database of TTInit. Now with this option you can select and scrape new user if you are ran out of all the users. Directly scrape user from live TikTok seller dashboard. Name your dataset, specify the number of user to scrape, 100, 300, 500. Ensure your shop profile is saved for data scraping. That is the same profile that you save in step 3. Click create a dataset. A new Chrome window will open and start scraping your data. Please wait until bot is done scraping your data. It can from 3 minutes to up to 1 hour, depend upon the number of users you want to scrape. Step 5. Run the bot for open collaboration. To run the open collaboration, go back to the messaging window, edit the shop setting by clicking the shop editing icon, select your pre-created dataset, update the shop profile, and run the bot by clicking the play button. That's it. You have successfully set up your TTInit bot for open collaboration. Visit TTInit to get started and join our Discord community for more updates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.